Error code 0x800f081f usually indicates that Windows Update can't find the required files for installation. This can be caused by corrupted system files, missing components, or .NET Framework issues. Step-by-step fixes. 8. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters. Click Run next to Windows Update. Follow the prompts and restart your PC. Enable .NET Framework 3.5. Open Control Panel Programs, turn Windows features on or off. Check .NET Framework 3.5, includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Click OK and allow it to install. Restart your computer. Use DISM and SFC tools. Open Command Prompt, Admin, and run the following commands. DISM Online Cleanup Image Restore Health. SFC Scan No. Wait for each to complete. These will repair missing or corrupted system files. 4. Manually download KB5055627. Visit the official Microsoft Update catalog, https://www.catalog.update.microsoft.com/. Search for KB5055627. Download the version matching your Windows 11 architecture, x64, ARM64. Run the installer manually. 5. Reset Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt, Admin, and run these one by one. Netstop WASR. Netstop Crypt SVC. Netstop Bits. Netstop MS Server. renc://wndowS/softwaredistration software-distribution.org. renc://wndowS/system32/catrot2.org. Netstart WASR. Netstart Crypt SVC. Netstart Bits. Netstart MS Server. Then try updating again. 6. Perform an in-place upgrade. As a last resort, download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant or Media Creation tool from Microsoft's site. Run the tool and select Upgrade this PC now. This keeps your files and apps and refreshes system files.